Hi friends, I have made a previous video on Bluetooth control home automation system using Blynk application and have installed that project in my studio from a couple of weeks. So I have found some errors with that project, so I have thought of making a video on that errors today. The first error is connecting with Bluetooth. This Blynk application gives an error while connecting to the Bluetooth device, like cannot connect to that device or something went wrong. This is a major problem with the Blynk application while connecting to the Bluetooth devices. And the second is disconnecting. As soon as you turn your screen off and turn your screen on with a time gap of minimum 5 to 10 seconds, it gets disconnected. The third one is location. This Blynk app asks for permission to turn on the location, as many other Bluetooth apps doesn't ask permission to turn on the location. So I have thought of it might also be an error with the Blynk application. To solve all these problems and make a perfect Bluetooth home automation system, I am planning to make a video with another app in this coming Sunday. So if you want to watch that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that as soon as I upload that video, you will be get notified.